Make a great choice today with the 2014 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, roof rack, rear wiper, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.